So today in Mississauga, Ontario, it has snowed a lot. And I think it's like 20 centimeters or something, or maybe more. But in 2022, it was 20 centimeters tall. But yesterday it was a snowstorm and it was very dangerous to go on like the normal roads and the highways. And when we went out to get something, it was so snowy that we couldn't see anyone. And more than 15 centimeters away, like 20 meters away, we could not see it visibly because it was foggy snow. So let's just say the snow is kind of like cotton. Yeah, it's freezing.